Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can easily create a link to send email in HTML. So if you want to create a specific link on a web page that on clicking it will open your default email platform so that you can easily send an email. So it's very easy to create. For that you need to use the A tag. So A tag is anchor tag used to set links. So here we will just use mail to add the email ID, and that's it. This will create our link to send email under A tag. Let's see an example to understand it better. Here we have our code43.html under E drive Amit Things folder. Here it is code43.html, E drive Amit Things folder. So here we have created our code. Let's write a sample code. Let's say you created a web page for suggestions, that is kind of a contact us page. For suggestions, email us. Okay, so here we will set an anchor tag. Here it is. Now let's set the link. So here, if you remember, we just need to type mail to colon the email ID. This looks better now. Yes. So here you need to send email to this ID. That's it. So here we have just set mail to word colon and the email ID. That's it. Now I'll click on save. Now if you remember, our path was E drive Amit Things folder. Here is the file. Double click to open. So here you can see we have created contact us page for suggestions email. So this on clicking, this will open the default platform of email. I'll click and let's see. It will ask me, yes, I am having Outlook. So I'll just click on OK. So guys, here you can see it has opened the default platform from our HTML web page to, because we have set mail to here contact@studypedia.com. So it has by default set it, and our email ID from where we'll be sending an email is this. It automatically detected it and it has opened the email platform. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create a link to send email. We created a link using mail to and using the A tag, and on clicking we directly opened the web page. We clicked here and on clicking it, it will directly open. It will ask you that which platform you want to open. So we opened Outlook here. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.